Hey guys, this is Craig Migliaccio with acservicetech, and today what we're going over are 10 new updates from acservicetech. So we have our ebook now translated into Spanish, and this is available over at our website at acservicetech.com, and that's our first update. Now our second update is that we have quizzes available on our website, so those are free to take, and you can check and test your knowledge with those. So they are the saturated refrigerant, refrigeration basics, multimeter quiz, thermostat troubleshooting, refrigeration cycle, checking the charge, thermostat functions, and electrical component quizzes. Whether you're a seasoned technician or an apprentice in the field, you can test your knowledge with each of these quizzes. Our next update is that we have 75 videos that correlate to certain page numbers in our book. So if you already have our book or ebook, you can get to those page numbers, follow along, watch the videos, and that will help just with understanding of each of those topics. So that is available over at our website, over on the videos tab. Our fourth update is that we have our ebook now available over on Google Play. So that is our English version over there, where we will be working on putting our Spanish version up, but for right now we do have our English version there. Our fifth update is that we now have quick tips available, and those are available on our website. So if it's something that you think is important, that you say to your apprentice while driving in the truck, maybe put that down in the comment section below, and maybe I'll pull some of those out to add to our quick tips. But for now, I've added some quick tips. We usually put several up a week, and they're just kind of a random thought that is very important to the trade, but it's not some long drawn out thing. So we have those posted right there in our articles section. Our sixth update is that we're now on Facebook. So we put some extra quick tips there. We also have a couple videos there, some small videos with different updates. That's where we post at. So you can check us out, and it's at facebook.com/acservicetech. Our seventh update is that we have articles over at our website, and these articles, I spend a lot of time into these articles, and we have a lot of custom images in there, and it's on topics that I find that are really important, in our trade, and I really want you to understand. So you can check those out over in the articles section on our website, and also if you want to join our updates list to get the email in the middle of the week when we do post our articles, you can go ahead and do that right over at our website. The eighth update is that we have extra resources on our website. So we have the PT chart there, we have the target superheat chart, so you can check out the resources tab for other different topics. Maybe it's thermostat wiring, so we added some in there. And so now we also have our ninth update, which is our Amazon tool page. So we have it all organized, so what we actually use in the field, and we have all the links there. So a lot of times in the videos, people are asking me, what tool is that? What tool am I using? And so I have a fully organized list at amazon.com/shop/acservicetech. We also have that list over on our website in the tools page, and so we have videos that are on each topic. So you can watch the videos, you can check out the tool links, it's all together. So that's a helpful thing for those that are looking for the actual tools that I use in the field. Our last update is that we have a combo kit available on our website for all three products, so you get faster shipping, you get a deal on the price because we're sending it out all as one shipment. But there's the paperback, the 1,000-question workbook, the answer key for the 1,000-question workbook, so you can check your own answers. It's a self-study guide. And then you have your quick reference cards here. So these are made out of polystyrene, and they have the refrigerant charging tips and the PT chart and the refrigerant weights and troubleshooting. So always check back on our website. We are constantly updating, trying to add new references and tools and things there. And if you have any technical questions that I can help with, put them down in the comment section below. Hope you enjoyed yourself, and we'll see you next time at AC Service Tech channel.